Hello guys, so in this video we are going to discuss about the ESI Challan generation. So two things, how to generate the Challan, and when you generate the Challan you will get one error. If Challan is already generated and you are trying to make the payment, so you will get a Challan is already generated. So this payment how to process. See, first step let me explain you. So when you go to this file monthly return, and here you have to upload the, see this error also it's coming because if you check here the mobile number and email ID also. Fine, you can validate and update the mobile number. Yeah, and now here to file the return, select the month whichever and upload the Excel template which we discussed in the return filing sheet. So whatever the template you have, that you have to upload. So once you upload, the Challan will generate from this option. Once you click here view, you will see the June month Challan is available. If I it's already generated now, but if I select this one, this pop-up error will come. Yeah, so Challan is already generated, so system will not allow to regenerate again and again. Yeah, now if you see once again, if I select, same error will come. Now whether you paid or whether you paid the payment or not sure, then what you can do, and to make the payment also you can go to the home page, and here you can see e-Challan option, pay e-Challan option. Now from online you can't make the payment, you have to pay through here only. So what you have to update here, establishment code update, then the catchy word, and click on select. So see here June month Challan is already generated. So from here you can make the payment, not from the ESI portal, because ESI portal one time only they will allow to make the payment. So after that it will not allow. Here again the same issue will come if you select that one. Now once your payment is paid successfully, once you paid here, once you click this Challan number, it will ask you net banking, and this September month is related to omitted Challan which we generated, and by mistakenly generated, which we cannot delete it. That is one more thing, that in ESI if you generate any Challan and you not make payment, it will not allow. Now if I click on generate Challan, select the bank, for example ICICI Bank I will select, and click on the process. So it will take me to the net banking where I have to select whether it's corporate account, current account, or retail account, means savings bank account. The portal it's not allowing to go to the payment page. I think that issue will come now also. So these are the steps which I want to explain you, that once the Challan you generate from the portal, then again you can't do. And once the payment is successfully done, you can see this modify Challan. From here you can get the Challan number, and this one online double Challan verification. So from here you can download the Challan copy. In case if you paid the payment from the net banking, you made the payment but you're not able to download. So if it is not allowing you to download, then you can go to this option only. Say suppose once failed happen and again you are trying to make the payment, system will not allow you. It will say that the payment is under process, kindly try after some time. So that error also will come. Yeah, so for that you have to wait a certain time, and from here modify, get the Challan number, and double verification, you can give the Challan number and download. So it is a lengthy step, but you have to follow. And this error, I hope this error now it's rectified. Why this error is coming? Because Challan is one time already generated, then again if you are going same step to make the payment, this error will come. Fine. So hope you understand the thing what I want to explain you. And if you are someone who want to learn about the PF and ESI, we do one-to-one coaching also. Per session 1,000 rupees we charge, or we have a recorded version also where 4,900 you can pay and become our club member. So below I given the WhatsApp number, you can reach out to me for any detail related to our course. Yeah, so that's it, and subscribe our YouTube channel also. Thank you.